Okay, the new point is the chemical properties of haloalkanes. The first point in this point is the test for laboratory test of haloalkanes. Here, the haloalkanes, that is the alkyl halide, is warm with alkyl halide is warm with aqueous NaOH or KOH. We can say NaOH or KOH. The halogen atom bonded to alkyl group is replaced or substituted by this OH group, hence gives an alcohol by the substitution of halide. It forms generally this type of product. Okay, generally in short it is written as Rx, that is alkyl halide, when warm with aqueous alkali like NaOH or KOH, the halogen atom is substituted by OH, that is it gets hydrolyzed and it forms the product alcohol. Here X is leaving group by the substitution of halogen by the nucleophile OH minus group. Okay, this halogen now it is in the form of halide ion. This is in the form of halide ion. When this halide ion is mixed with dilute nitric acid or silver nitrate, dilute nitric acid or silver nitrate, it gets precipitated in the form of AgX. It gets precipitated in the form of precipitate. So by this reaction, the further or next point of this chemical property is nucleophilic substitution reaction of halogen derivatives. Nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkanes. What is substitution? What is substitution reaction? When a group which is bonded to carbon atom in a substrate, that is a compound, is replaced or substituted by another group. and it gives product are called as substitution reaction In this point, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this reaction entirely take place across the polar CX bond in alkyl halide. We know that the CX bond is polar covalent bond. Hence, the CX bond in alkyl halide is an electrophilic center where the actual reaction take place. We are studied the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here we know that what is nucleophile and what is electrophile. Nucleophile is electron deficient while electrophile is electron rich species. Okay, now what is nucleophilic substitution reaction? Nucleophilic substitution reaction, when we can say there is a carbon which is bonded to halogen. You can say halogen is bonded to carbon atom by the nucleophile, you can say Nu nucleophile, which is negatively charged. Also the halogen is negatively charged, is substituted by like this. Here there is nucleophile and we get the leaving group, that is halide ion. When the substrate, this is substrate, which react with the nucleophile and gets converted into product, it is called as the fast or a reactive substrate. As the reactivity of alkyl halide in substitution reaction, that is in nucleophilic substitution reaction, is mostly depends upon the nature of halogen and primary, secondary or tertiary carbon atom. The order of reactivity in nucleophilic substitution reaction, tertiary alkyl halide is more than secondary and more than primary alkyl halide. Also the reactivity is greater, the order is Ri greater than Rbr and greater than Rcl. This is the order of reactivity and this is the order of alkyl halide to nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, For this nucleophilic substitution reaction, there are various examples which are given in a book. That is, alkyl halide when boiled with NaOH, boiled with NaOH or KOH, it gives an alcohol. Also, another example is when alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide, it gives ether. Another example is alkyl halide is treated with silver salt of monocarboxylic acid, it gives ester. Again, the another example is alkyl halide is treated with excess of alcoholic ammonia, then it gives primary amines. There are different types of nucleophile which reacts with alkyl halide and gives the respective or corresponding product. These all examples are the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, one atom or one group is totally removed or replaced by another group. Hence, the group is substituted, called as leaving group. The group is substituted like this one. This is leaving group. It is removed by this one. This is nucleophile. This is X is leaving group in this reaction. So, this nucleophilic substitution reaction, leaving group is always, according to alkyl halide, the halide group is the leaving group. The leaving group, what happens? The leaving group is taking the lone pair, you can say, sorry, lone pair, not a lone pair, it is bond pair electron. When it leaves from here, it take away the bond pair electrons from the CX bond. Okay, when it leaves from this, it taken away the bond pair electrons. Hence, the original CX bond undergoes heterolysis, and as it leaves from this, new bond is formed between nucleophile and the carbon atom. So, the entire change take place in only one step. Entire change take place in one step, or maybe in two step. So, nucleophilic substitution reactions are explained by SN reaction, are explained in two ways. That is, SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Okay, we stop here, and next video we are studied SN1 reaction.